Hi guys, here's a very fun, creative art idea or idea for an art to do at home. All you need is glue, some paint, Sharpie or a pen or a marker. You need salt, fine salt. Well, it doesn't have to be really fine, but fine is good. And you need a paintbrush, and you need just paper. You got construction paper from Dollar Tree. And then you can decide what you want to design. So, okay, Jessica, this is what we're gonna do. First, you need to, this project is called How to Salt Paint. So, if your kid can use glue, if they know how to use glue, let them. If not, you do it for them. All you're gonna do is put glue wherever you're going to put salt. So put glue because that's where we want the salt to stick.
There's a flower car.
This looks nice. There you go. There's the salt left. And then, alright, so here we are. We have the salt, we got the paint, water. Dip it in the water, dip it in whatever paint you want.
I didn't know why.
I don't know why mine is not crystallizing.
The way you
It is actually.
use yellow. And then why the not crystallizing. Can I try?
Yeah, come. Ready? Right here on the other side. The other side! Ready?
I can do it
Yeah, just hold it. Right, come on, dip it. Tap it. Just let it go. Come on. No need to touch it, you just tap it.
Oh.
Yeah, just tap it. There you go. It goes itself. See? Just tap it. Made a mess there. Okay?
Nice.
See? Look how it walks. It's beautiful. Alright, here's the next one. A snowflake. one color or more than one, use one. Dip it more in water, dip it more in water. So you don't touch the gut. Yeah, just let it tap. Like let it drip. You have to get more water.